ListPilot gives you 2 levels of scoring for every product. A quick diagnostic when you highlight AI analysis, and a full one when you click the brain icon. They show different things and serve different purposes. Let me walk through both. In the table, score bars are colored red, or coded for that matter. Green is 80 or above, well optimized. Orange is 60 to 79 with room to improve. Red is below 60 with significant issues. A fresh catalog will show mostly red. That's normal and fixable. Click any row for the quick diagnostic. Score overview shows the overall score, 52% here, and the 4 components that drive it: title score, bullet points, keywords, and images. This instantly tells you where the problem is. Title is 0, that's the issue, dragging the overall score to 54. Bullets are strong at 81. Keywords and images are decent. One fix, the title. That's the entire diagnosis. The Opportunities tab turns scores into a to-do list. Title, add brand positioning, add features, include quality keywords, and other things like that. Bullets, add more customer benefits, fix recurring issues, and adding visual elements. And keyword and image optimization. This is your work order for the listing optimizer. Listing details shows the live listing content. Use this as reference when writing improvements. Images audits count versus Amazon's recommended 7 image standard. Shows dimensions per page, shows dimensions per image, and tells you what types to add: hero, lifestyle, detail, size, comparison, or infographic. Now click the AI analysis button. This is a deeper layer. A full analysis across 11 dimensions, plus performance predictions, estimated impact, and a competitor benchmark. The core optimization scores give you 6 dimensions. Notice the 2 zeros immediately: title and A+ content. Description is perfect at 100. This tells you 3 things: what to fix first, what to fix second, and what to leave alone. Advanced scores go deeper. Searchability being at 80, this listing can be found, but conversion optimization is 5. Once buyers find this product, the listing isn't converting them. That's the gap the title and A+ improvements will close. Performance predictions. CTR 3.2 is borderline for Amazon. The average is 3 to 5. Conversion at 15% is actually healthy, and the search ranking potential at 75, room to push to 90 and above. Estimated impact puts dollar logic behind the recommendations. Fix the title, 10% more clicks, 8% more conversions. Fix bullets, 12% more CTR, and 20% more conversions. And keyword optimization. Visibility will go up 15%, and traffic will go up 25%. These stack. A product doing $8,000 a month, a 20% conversion lift on that number is definitely significant. Priority recommendations gives you the ranked to-do list. Number 1 is always highest ROI first. No guesswork on where to start. And lastly, the competitor analysis benchmarks you against similar listings. Average competitor is 65. This product at 65 is on the average. Once you get a product to 65, you then start to push to 80. Above 80, you're winning clicks from competitors, not losing them.